How to change Facebook location settings. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your Facebook location. First open your Facebook app and then on the top right corner click on your profile icon. Now scroll down and then click on settings and privacy. Now go to settings. Now scroll down. Under your activity section you will see device permission. Just click on that. Now you will see location. Just click on see info. Click on update settings. Click on open device settings. Click on permission. Now scroll down and then click on location, and then here you will select your permission, allow only while using the app, or you can just ask every time, and there you go. So that's how you can change Facebook location settings. Hope that this video help you. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.